What does it mean that we ask for it?
You need to speak between yourselves. So everyone would write it down. Then each one will explain to others what he means with this plea to the Creator. Then read what Rabash means in his plea to the Creator. He has many articles on it. How to turn to Him. Who do you turn to? With what? What are you asking in order to enter into contact with the Creator? And then you'll be able to feel where you acquire contact with Him, connection with Him, and can expect a response, a reaction. And the reaction will come on the condition that you ask for the correct things. As Rabash says, yes, the kid is asking his dad to scratch his eye with a pin. Rather, you ask for spiritual things, healthy things according to their degree. Don't jump to the end of correction. I don't know, something you don't even understand, but something that's before you according to your degree. You have to scrutinize that. But without that, you'll have nothing. We have something very simple. A 10, a mechanical 10, corporeal 10. Is it present? Present. It's already good. The Creator has assembled us now from this corporeal 10, physical 10. We need to somehow build one desire with one understanding, one consciousness, agreement, like a collective, like a society from the outside, have this single agreement, and try from that to create a force that turns to the Creator and convinces Him to help. And then in this force, with this force that we use to turn to Him, and together with that we feel the response. We turn and we feel the response. We have to be aware of the response, of the reaction, because without doubt we constantly receive a reaction, but we're unaware of it. Thoughts, desires, anything that is happening with me when I turn to the Creator, when I feel what's happening with me, this is His reaction. Nothing is happening except for His reaction. I'm a result from Him. And then in this way I enter into a dialogue. I'm increasing my sensitivity in talking with Him. Try it.